Hi guys, so today I want to talk about a novel called Pukul Setengah Lima by Rintik Seduh. So, the story is about a girl named Alina. She feels like her life is just unlucky, like whatever she does, things never really go the way she wants. And because of that, she slowly gets tired of her own life, even of herself. Then one day, she meets a guy named Danu, and he's actually different from everyone else. He's kind, he listens, and he makes her feel seen, which is something that she's not really used to. But instead of being honest about who she is, Alina decides to start over as someone else. She changes her name to Marni because she thinks maybe her bad luck is tied to being Alina. So in order to have a better life, she becomes a Marnie and leaves her old identity behind. As a Marnie, she gets closer to Danu, and honestly, her life starts to feel better. She smiles more, she feels appreciated, and for once, things actually go her way. It's like she finally gets the life she always wanted. But yeah, there's always a catch. Danu doesn't know who she really is. So even though she's happy, she also feels guilty the whole time because deep down she knows that the relationship is built on a lie, and the longer she hides it, the harder it becomes to tell the truth, right? So the main conflict in this story is really about her choice, about Alina's choice. Should she keep pretending to be Marnie and hold on to her happiness, or should she be honest even if it means losing Danu? What I really like about this book is the writing style. Like it's simple, casual, and feels very natural, like you're just reading someone's thoughts or diary. Furthermore, there are some flashbacks that show Alina's past, which makes us understand her feelings more. And in addition, I think the emotion in this story are very relatable. Like a lot of people might understand what it feels like to be insecure, to want to start over, or to hide parts of themselves just to be unaccepted. And at the same time, this story also kind of reminds us that running away from who we are doesn't always solve the problem. But of course, it's not perfect. The ending feels a bit flat compared to the build up, and sometimes the change of point of view can be a little confusing. There are also a few small writing mistakes, but nothing too distracting. Overall, I think Pukul Setengah Lima is a really emotional and relatable story. And it's not super complicated, but it hits you in every real way. So if you like the stories about identity, feelings, and complicated relationships, I think you will enjoy this one. Anyway, that's my review for today. Thanks for listening and see you next time. Bye.